Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, continuing on with our bathroom makeover series. Today I wanted to show you how I redid our countertops using an epoxy spray. So first, let me show you how our countertops looked. As you can see, they are a little bit yellow, dingy, a little worn. They kind of have this weird marbling effect. They're just dated and old. And while I don't expect this fix to last forever, I'm hoping to get a year or two out of having to redo my whole entire bathroom. So it's a temporary fix, but it'll give us a little bit of time. So I am starting by cleaning off the countertops with a cleaner. This one is not very abrasive, and a clean towel. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off the surface. Also, I grabbed a 100 grit sandpaper, and after everything's clean, I'm just going to go through and sand the surface lightly to take anything off, give it something to stick to. So after the countertop is sanded, I'm going to take a damp towel and wipe all the dust off and clear it all off, make it really clean. Then I'm going to go through with a microfiber towel. This one's a little old, but it still works. And get any dust off that you can see at all. You want a totally clean surface. You don't want anything to interfere. And next, I masked everything off. The overspray from this product is pretty intense, so I would recommend covering anything that you don't want to get sprayed. I would have even done the toilet, hindsight, but it's not that big of a deal. I masked everything off. The green FROGTAPE is by far my favorite masking tape. It leaves really nice lines, and I never have any problems with it. So I masked off the drain spout really well, the faucet, because we're not painting our faucet. And just to be sure, I went over everything again with a clean microfiber towel. So this is the spray that I used. It is the Rustoleum Appliance Epoxy, and it is washable, moisture resistant, smooth factory-like finish, and I cannot say enough about this product. I love the difference it made in our countertops. So I started by spraying the countertop, and my biggest mistake was not wearing a mask. Wear a mask. The spray and the smell is pretty intense. You want to use any ventilation, open a window if you have one. So I quickly realized I needed a mask, so I had to make do. But I have to say the first coat was really easy. Just make sure you don't overspray a spot and it puddle up. There was a couple times where I noticed a hair, I just grab it out and then spray over it, and you really cannot tell at all. If you do happen to get a little puddle right in the sink, I did notice a little bit of dripping, so I just grabbed a towel and wiped it and then sprayed over it before it dried. So after I sprayed the first coat, I let that dry for about 15 to 20 minutes and then went back with a second coat. This is a video of after the first coat, and you can still see some imperfections. It's just the first layer. It's not a huge difference. Like I said, it doesn't cover everything. We had these little dings in there, but it really is not a big deal at all. And this is the video after the second coat. So I went and pulled the tape off probably about an hour after it dried. I just didn't want it to dry 100% completely before I pulled the tape off. And I made a good choice. It worked out really well. And as you can see, this reveal is pretty amazing. So I cannot rave enough about this product. It took our old, ugly, marbled, orangey yellow effect countertops to this stark white, crisp, clean counter. I was very impressed with this product. I will let you guys know how it holds up, but I cannot say enough about it. So let's take a quick look at what we started with. These old, ugly yellow countertops, and we use the epoxy spray, making it a $7 fix. That is amazing. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in today and coming along with me on this journey. This has been such a fun series, and we still have more videos left, so keep tuning in, subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to check out our next video. We will be doing the floors. Thanks.